The Note 17 Pro, plus 5 or 6 black versions, now comes in 4 storage options. The largest storage capacity is 8,512 megabytes, and the second largest is only 12,256 megabytes. So, that's how budget phones are these days. 67-watt black silicone sleeve. We won't go into detail about the black exterior. It features a matte plastic back cover and plastic frame. The Redmi Note 17 Pro, priced around 1,000 yuan, boasts a long-lasting 9,000 mAh Jinshejiang battery. The Note series has tripled its battery capacity over 12 years. For daily use, 2 days on a single charge is no problem. If, like me, you only use it as a backup phone for storing things and rarely take it out, the battery can easily last over a week on standby. It supports 67W wired charging and 22.5W wired reverse charging. My main phone's battery life isn't enough, and carrying a power bank every time I go out is heavy and inconvenient. It's better to just carry a phone that can also be used as a power bank. The screen is 6.8 inches with large rounded corners, a 1.5mm narrow bezel, and a 120Hz OLED flat screen, featuring a minimalist design. Low light eye protection uses DC plus 3848Z PDN dimming. All of these are present, with a 4th generation Snapdragon 6S processor and a total weight of 226G, which is decent. However, it's noticeable that with rising storage prices, the Note series no longer offers a top-of-the-line 1TB configuration. Its top-of-the-line options are only 12256 and 8512. The biggest regret of the Note 17 Pro is its imaging capabilities. It has a main camera plus a filler depth sensor. There's no ultra-wide-angle lens, only 1x and 2x zoom, and it indeed lacks optical image stabilization. Furthermore, it only supports 1080p 30 and 720p 30 video recording. It doesn't even support 1080p 60. You could say it's inferior to the 67-year-old Note 9 Pro. This generation essentially cuts all the imaging capabilities. As for the durable, Little King Kong, a nickname for the Redmi Note series, that's always been a feature of the Redmi Note series. The Note is the G Pro. Thanks to Corning Gorilla Glass 2, the drop test standard was raised to 3 meters, and the waterproof performance was raised to IP66, 6869, and 69K standards. It can withstand a 2-meter water depth for 72 hours. Some phones are delicate, but the Note can truly conquer the battlefield.